currency index strength. Have a look at the different currencies and tell us which ones are strong and which ones are weak at the moment. Perhaps have a look for the strongest and the weakest. Hey, Lloyd, how you going?
Hi, Paul. Yep,
Hi,
so
mate.
I'm back this week with the currency strength. And truthfully speaking, I don't see anything good from the analysis. And I'll share with you why. Yeah.
I like that,
So
Lloyd.
first up is I will always end.
Right?
Sorry, Paul, I didn't quite catch you.
I like that, Lloyd. We should be truthful about it, right? Sometimes there's just nothing to do, right? So we just got to wait.
Yeah, absolutely. So I think it's a better time to wait up for this week. Yeah. So I always done my analysis in the form of strongest to weakest, but the fact is that this week I don't see anything that's strong or particularly strong that would pique my interest. So I share with you why. So let's look at of that. I think yen might possibly strengthen. I'm using the word might simply because if you look at the weekly analysis of yen, it's down up to $90. Yeah. So in the past, $90 is where it starts to bounce off. Yeah. So this is more of a reversal play than a trend play. It's a strong horizontal level, so there's a good chance that price might bounce off, but I'll still be very, very wary of it. Now and this is actually the strongest of them all that I think that might possibly strengthen. So that will tell you a lot about my sentiments about the chart. So the next in play is actually Kiwi. So Kiwi is the same. You can see that I have this range for a very long time already. And last week price broke down, bounced off $70, which is a very nice whole number. And then now it seems to strengthen. Yeah. So my gut feeling is telling me that it will actually break back into the range. It has happened before. But technically, this is still a reversal at play. It's not a trend trading momentum. Yeah. As for CXY Canadian Index, again the same thing. So it is actually trending. It is trending. So again, I would say this is probably the nicest pair of them all. Price broke, weakened all the way to $80, and it seems like it's strengthening back. Yeah. So if you want a trend trading approach, then I would say CAT is probably the pair to go. Though technically it might not seem the strongest. Yeah. Simply because you can see that at 83, which is in the past, it interacted before. Yeah. So this for trend trading play, CAT strengthening is the best play, but it doesn't display the best strength. That's my opinion. DXY, officially, I would say that this is probably still in a range. Yeah, price did bounce beautifully at 90. That again, you have this horizontal level. So if you zoom out at the bigger picture, it is range. Simple as that. Euro index, we have a double top. Price broke down. Now, I have nothing that is strong, but I have probably half of them that is weakening. So that's causing a bit of a dilemma on my side. Yeah. So EXY, the Euro index, you can see that it really break down. So I'm just waiting for price to retrace back to 120, and I'll be happy to short it. Then the issue is what am I shorting it against? Now, Australia index, if you recall, for the past few weeks, I've been saying that it's in the same situation as the New Zealand index. It's ranging. So price broke down. I will still steer clear of this currency. Now, if price really have a retest, a break and retest and go short, I'll still have plenty of time to short it in the next week. Probably not this week. But for those of you who are a bit trigger happy, then keep a lookout for a break and retest. Yeah, to go short for the Australian index. Pound, same situation as Euro. You can see that price double top, broke down, retested 140. Looks like a healthy situation to actually go short on this. Yeah, but you will face the same dilemma as Euro index. What am I shorting against? And the weakest of the batch from the analysis, it will still be, I wouldn't say weakest, but just by looking at it, will still be Swiss index. Yeah. So why do I say that? Very nice, lower high, very nice, lower low. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for price to retest 110, and then I'll be happy to go for short positions. Now on that, I'll still be recommending two currency that you may possibly keep a lookout for. One is still Swiss yen, so I'm still shorting the weakest against the strongest. Let's have a look at Swiss yen. So the 4-hour chart is a bit ranging, so I'm just waiting for price to break down, retest, and I'm happy to go short. The next pair that I'll be keeping a lookout is actually Pound Kiwi. Yeah, you can see that on the 4-hour chart, price is starting to weaken already. Yeah, so this will be the last major support area. I'm just waiting for price to weaken, break and retest, and I'm happy to go for a short position. So remember, this is a 4-hour chart, so price tends to move a bit faster and a bit more volatile. Yeah. So that's all from me, Paul.
Cheers, Lloyd. Thank you very much for that. Do remember at the end of the show, we will be putting you guys into a draw to win a $50 Actions 12 online trading profit voucher. And also, those that have asked questions, we will give you a chance to, in the question area, those that have asked questions will get two goes at it. So sorry, Lewis, on the NFP thing, I don't think we got that to Ainslie in time. We'll wait and